What's up, kings and queen? It's your girl Stacy, and I'm back today with another video. Now, as you can see from the title, you already know what I'm preparing. I'm preparing today some stewed chicken, some brown stewed chicken. Guys, if you're interested in seeing this video, stay tuned. Alright guys, as you can see, I have my clean chicken in front of you. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and season my chicken with the seasoning that I have. Guys, this is my way of cooking my brown stew chicken. Alright, so the first season I'm going to be adding is some salt. We're just gonna add a little bit of salt because we don't have a lot of chicken in here. Then we're going to be adding some garlic powder. Now add as much garlic powder as you like. Me personally, I love garlic. Okay, then you're going to be adding some, so I'm gonna add some onion powder. Then I'm going to be using a season all, and a season all is just all season kind of mixed up together. All right, that should be good. Then black pepper. Then I'm going to be using about a tablespoon of browning. Guys, remember what I said, it's best to use less, and in the end, if you need more, you can add it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my spoon and mix this up. And then we could judge it from there if we need more browning. So we could definitely use just a little bit more browning, just a little bit more, I think. What do you think? Leave it in the comment section and let me know what you think. But I'm going to use just a little bit more, about this much. That's a little bit. So I use a tablespoon and a dash. And mix that together. Make sure all that seasoning is blending with each other. Rub it up, rub it up. All right guys, so I'm going to set this aside so it could actually, you know what, before I set it to the side, let me get this spoon. I'm gonna go ahead and add about more garlic. I'm gonna add about this much garlic, okay? Let's go ahead and mix that up. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and set this to the side so it could marinate. All right, so I'll be right back. All right guys, while my chicken is being marinated, I'm going to go ahead and cut up the veggie that's going to be incorporated in my pot. Right here I have a whole onion, so we're just gonna go ahead and slice that up. Then I have some sweet pepper. Go ahead and slice that up. I do not have any green bell peppers, so I just have to use what I have, basically. to the side. Then I have some ginger. Your tomato. Your scallion. Slide that to the side. Your scallion. And I have my pepper, which I'm just gonna cut a small piece off of it. I'm not gonna use all of it. That's the only thing I'm going to be using, once again, because I have small kids, right? Then I have my carrots that I'm going to be cutting up and putting these in the pot at the end. All right, so now I have all these cut up. I'm going to go ahead and get my pot and put it on medium heat, and I'll be right back. Put a little bit of oil in my pot, and my pot is ready to go. Now I'm just gonna put the chicken in there. I'm gonna put the chicken in there to caramelize both sides of the chicken. And you wanna make sure that your oil is hot when you're doing this part, okay? You want to hear that sizzling. If you don't hear that sizzling, that means that your oil is not hot enough, okay? All right, so you want both sides to caramelize for about 5 minutes, right? After 5 minutes, I'm gonna come back and flip my chicken so you can see what I'm referring to. All right, so it's about 5 minutes now, so I'm going to flip my chicken. All right, you see that brown caramelized look? That is what you're looking for, okay? You want that brown caramelized look. Perfect color. Alright, so I'm gonna let that caramelize on the other side for another 5 minutes, then I'm gonna come back. Alright guys, so both sides has been caramelized now. As you can see, get that really nice brown texture that you're looking for. So what I'm going to do right here now, I'm going to go ahead in the same container that I season my meat in, because you have all that other goody stuff still left in the bottom of it. I added about 2 cups of water. Now onto this, I'm going to go ahead and add the water. Then I'm going to add the season that I have previously cut up. Alright, so I'm gonna add everything except the carrot. Alright, so I've added all my veggie that I needed to add in there. Then I'm going to add some pimento seed in there. And I'm also going to go in with some ketchup. Not too much, okay? Go ahead and give it a little, you know, mix around. And guys, if I had some barbecue sauce, trust and believe that I will be throwing some barbecue sauce up in this too. Barbecue sauce is totally optional, but I like to give it a little bit of kick with barbecue sauce. So if you have some barbecue sauce, go ahead and throw it in there and let me know down in the comment section how you like it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and cover my pot and let this cook down for about a good 25 minutes or 30 minutes, and then I'll come back. Actually, you know what? No, I'm going to let this cook for about 20 minutes, and I'm gonna come back and put my carrots in my pot, and then I'm gonna let it cook down for another 10 minutes. All right, guys, so I will be right back. All right, kings and queen, my chicken has been cooking down now for about 15 minutes. I wish you guys could smell the aroma that I'm smelling. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and add my carrots. And the reason why I add my carrots when my pot is almost done is because I want to still feel my carrot kind of crunchy and not soggy. You know what I mean? All right, so I'm gonna let this cook down for another 15-20 minutes. Then I come back and check out my pot. Let me go ahead and give you guys a close-up. I just wish you guys could smell what I'm smelling. All right, guys, so I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back checking on my chicken. My pot smells good. I wish y'all could just smell what I'm smelling, yo. No joke. All right, guys, so my chicken is almost ready. It's not quite yet ready for me. All right, you see how my gravy is still watery? I don't particularly like that. All right, so what I'm going to do to thick up my gravy, I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of flour and a little bit of water, and I did so already. And I just mix it up, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to add it to my pot. Don't do too much now, okay, because you don't want to spoil your pot. Just a little bit. All right, so that should be good. I'm not going to even add any more. So what that is going to do, that is going to thick up your gravy. All right, so I'm gonna let this, you know, go and simmer down a little bit more and thick up, and then I'll come back. All right, guys. All right, guys, so I'm back to show you the final look. You see how my gravy is now thicker and it's not runny. This is the final look of my brown stew chicken. I'll give you a close-up. Doesn't that look beautiful, guys? Alright, guys, if you like this video, please go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Why not be so mean? Lick the subscribe button, man. Cha! Alright, guys, I enjoy making this video. I have another video coming up next, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn the notification on so you get all my videos that I put out. Until next time, bye.